Not long ago, a young woman came to me with a dream and almost no fashion background at all. Today, she's showing her collections on runways around the world. Her name is Jemma, and her story is exactly why I built this app. Hi, I'm Nino, fashion educator, creative director, and founder of Fashion Premier Academy. If you've ever wanted to become a fashion designer but didn't know where to start, or felt stuck, or wondered if you even have what it takes, well, this is for you. This is Become a Fashion Designer, a fully personalized, guided experience that works like having me as your own private coach right in your pocket. Here's what makes it different. It's built around you. When you join, you answer a few questions like your goals, your experience level, what inspires you. And from that moment, your plan is built specifically for you. Not a generic course, not a one-size-fits-all curriculum. Your path, your pace, your vision. Every day, you'll get focused activities, exercises, projects, lessons, and real feedback on your actual work. You'll develop your sketching, your eye for silhouette and color, fabric, proportion. You'll build mood boards and design flats. Create a portfolio you're proud to show the world. And the app evolves with you, always giving you the next step, always pushing you forward. Most importantly, you'll gain the confidence to call yourself a designer and mean it. Right now, to celebrate the launch, I'm offering founding member access at just $69 for a limited time only. After that, the price goes up. Your journey starts the moment you say yes. I'll see you inside the app.